the molecules, the atoms of air doesn't get lighter, they get faster. What happens whenever hot air or when atoms of water like turns into water vapor, it doesn't necessarily change of what it's made of. It just changes of how the atoms work, and that means that just so like regular water just means the atoms are moving, at a regular pace. They just move, and when it turns into air, the atoms are more spread apart because it's hot. And because when you put cold air into it, it tries to bring it down, while the hot air tries to bring it up. So we'll do these those things. The tornado. And you can't have a tornado in a place like Nevada.
We only had one, right?
We've never had one. Like we can have like little dust devils. That's where the wind picks up a little bit, and you'll see clouds of dust just spinning.
Oh, sometimes I go up to them and try to kick it.
Oh yeah, it just means that one man's trying to go this way and one man's trying to go that way. And
so you can't
tornadoes.
change air?
No, you can't.
But air can touch you?
There's I don't even know how to expound on that. When it comes to I don't even know where I'm going with that. Oh, with tornadoes, they can't happen here because we live in a basin. Basically, we live in a bowl.
Really?
Yeah, it's not as flat as it is, so like air comes in, but it comes out at the end. That's why it can't go. It doesn't circle in like that. So that's why it only happens in like the middle of the country, because that's called the Great Plains. So the tornadoes happen.
Is that why we have big mountains?
Yeah.
Okay, then what is thunder made of?
Thunder is made of atoms colliding with each other, or friction. Wait, lightning or thunder?
Both.
Well, for both? Alright. Thunder is the sound of atoms colliding, basically. Not exploding, but technically it's of atoms striking each other, producing a sound. Lightning is when the atoms heat up real quick and produce the energy.
Is that why some people get killed by those?
Actually, you get killed by lightning because your body, because we can, as humans, we conduct lightning because we're made of mostly water. And
Really?
water conducts electricity.
Awesome.
You know you can learn all this on Wikipedia, right?
No.
Yeah, you can. Just watch out what you learn on Wikipedia. They can change what they have on Wikipedia if you have a Wikipedia account. But you really have to watch if they have references and stuff like that.
You really have to read the whole thing?
Yeah, but you don't have to read the whole thing. That's not really the point. The point is that you can't always trust what you're reading online because it's not always true. Or even in a lot of books, like textbooks. Yeah, you can learn a lot from textbooks. Just be skeptical. Always be skeptical. Always ask questions. Never stop learning.
What if you're too shy?
Huh? Don't. People who are shy are usually the ones that end up not doing well in school or not doing, or the kids that usually get caught. If you're shy, your teacher will gravitate to you and will be not less likely to help you, but it'll help you a lot if you always ask questions. Now, don't ask questions just for the sake of asking questions. Ask questions if you really don't understand.
My school has always tried.
Okay, well,
Kata.
you'll break out of it though. Don't think of it that way. Never think of people always being better than you. There's always going to be someone better than you. There's always someone better than them, and there's someone who's always worse than them. And there's always someone who's weak. Always think of it that way. Always strive to be as well as you can do. Never just be fun with anything, unless you really can't do anything with it. Looks like you just have to be fun.
Miss Liberty.
Sometimes when I play football, I kind of just forget about it.
Forget about what? Oh, yeah.